Let's get a check on the weather now, Nick. Where are we seeing some rain right now?
Yeah, just a few spotty light showers in the hill country. Really nothing to write home about yet. But we do anticipate that rain and storm coverage ramps up overnight, although it may take quite a while before more significant heavy rain and storms reach the Austin metro. We're already seeing signs of lightning there and some locally heavy rain off to the west and southwest of us. This moisture creeping in here thanks to this area of low pressure and a trough associated with it, gradually moving the moisture, the rain, the lift from west to east and into central Texas overnight and gradually through central Texas here tomorrow. I want to show you an updated computer model that does hold off on the majority of the storms now until after midnight. There's still going to be the potential for a few widely scattered showers, though, before midnight. But then we get past midnight, really past 2 in the morning, and we start seeing the showers and storm coverage expanding in the hill country. The farther west in the hill country you are, the more likely that you'll have actual thunderstorms overnight. The farther east you are, maybe you just get some showers and not as much in the way of thunderstorms. This is 9 in the morning. Showers and some storms still decently widespread in the hill country, but just some light showers for the metro and our eastern counties. That's going to be the theme of a lot of the morning. And even into the early afternoon, the storms continuing to hang tough and get the hill country very wet with downpours and storms throughout the majority of the day. And then finally, late afternoon, early evening, and potentially very disruptive to the evening commute. The downpours, the heavy rain finally reaches the Austin metro. This is 6 p.m. here tomorrow. That rain, the cluster of rain and storms gradually works into our eastern counties soon after that. This is 8 p.m. That cluster moves out. There may be one final batch that comes ahead of our early morning cold front here on Friday. And then as we go through the day on Friday, we'll gradually see increasing sunshine and drier weather taking over. So Friday's wet weather should generally be confined to the early to mid-morning hours. So scattered storms gradually arriving overnight. Mainly they'll be in the hill country. I say mainly because I can't rule out a few showers or an isolated storm sneaking farther east into the metro or our eastern counties. It's going to be a warm night tonight. Still another warm day tomorrow with a high of 81. Periods of rain and storms that will mostly be in the hill country in the morning, slowly spreading from west to east as we head through the day, and then eventually getting into Austin. So rain coverage tomorrow and tomorrow night, pretty high eventually, and then much lower rain chances here Friday morning. 30% rain chance during the daylight hours of Friday. Should see some sun in the afternoon. There is a low severe weather risk on Thursday for almost all of central Texas, but it is just a 1 out of 5 threat for maybe an isolated severe storm or two that could carry large hail or damaging wind. A very low tornado risk tomorrow. We're a little more concerned about the flash flooding risk, though. 2 out of 4 threat for that across much of the area, but it does rise again to a 3 out of 4 just outside of the KXAN viewing area. And that, of course, indicates an even higher likelihood of flash flooding there. And it's in that area that we do expect some of the highest rainfall totals, especially just outside of our area. But even in this area of red, looking for 2 to 4 inches of rain with isolated amounts above 4 inches. That's because storms after storm after storm may follow the same path and really add up that rainfall. For the majority of the rest of us with fewer storms, you could expect less rainfall, 1 to 2 inches with some isolated amounts up to 3. Then as we go into the weekend, increasingly wet. Just a few showers around Saturday, but our next storm comes in on Sunday as Sunday gets increasingly wet and stormy through Sunday night into Monday morning, into Monday afternoon even. That will also come with a flash flooding threat too. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. We also get a cold front coming with tomorrow night and Friday morning storms, although it's not going to drop temperatures much. We'll notice a humidity drop. Rain chances dropping through the day Friday. They're at 20% Saturday, up to 50% Sunday and 60% Monday. Then our next cold front does bring a little bit more in the way of drier air as those rain chances drop down to near 0 by Wednesday.